Hello students, welcome to this module number 1, Introduction to Crystal Structure. So we are going to discuss about the topics related to the crystal structure, arrangement of crystal structure, that is categorized like this: a simple cubic, um, BCC, FCC and HCP. Okay, that is first discuss about the simple cubic with the next slide. So the metallic crystal structures are categorized like this. That is face-centered cubic crystal structure, body-centered cubic crystal structure, and hexagonal close-packed crystal structures. Okay, simple cubic. So let us discuss about this one, the face-centered cubic. Okay, so whatever the arrangement you are seeing now, that is face-centered cubic structure. So this unit cell is cubic geometry, which atoms located at each of the corner. So and the center of the all the cube faces, you can see all the sides are mentioned A. So at the center it is going to be located, okay, face centered. Okay, so that is FCC. And for the FCC structure, what happened? Each of the corner atoms, it is shared among the 8 unit cells, whereas face centered atoms belongs to only 2. Okay, because at the four sides there are 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are 8 atoms, unit cells are going to be shared by the atoms. Okay, and therefore the 1/8 of each 8 corner atoms and 1 of each of the 6 face atoms, total 4 whole atoms, so may be assigned to a given unit cell. So example, for the face centered cubic, copper, aluminum, silver and gold have FCC structures. Okay, and the cell comprises of volume of the cube, which is generated from the centers of the corner of the atoms. So you can identify the center of the corner of the atoms. Okay, and one of the figure I have shown here, just look into it. That is the yellow color shape. That is the atoms. One of the atoms. Okay, so which are going to be arranged. So at the other side, the corner, that is 4. Okay, it is 4 whole atom, it is going to be assigned to a unit cell. Okay, this is about the face centered cubic. And let us discuss about face centered. What is the, if it is the structure is face centered cubic, what is the coordination number and atomic factor we will discuss. Okay, for any metals, if you take, especially for gold and copper, they mentioned, no? So if you such kind of metals, if you take, each atom has same number of touching atoms, which is the coordination number. Example, the coordination number is 12. Okay, for such atoms, 1/8 of that atoms, which are going to be shown here. Okay, and atomic factor is the sum of the sphere of volume of all atoms within the unit cell divided by the unit cell of the volume. See, suppose if you want to calculate for the coordination number for some metals. Okay, so how you are going to calculate for atomic factor? The volume of the atoms in unit cell divided by the total unit cell volume. So if you take this ratio, you will get the atomic packing factors. So for FCC, you should remember atomic packing factor is 0.74. Okay, means in the total unit cell, so how much volume of atoms is occupied in a single unit cell? That is the concept. So that is, you have to take in the percentage also. 74% of the atomic packing factor. Atomic packing factor also we can say. So next, body-centered cubic structure. So a cubic unit cell, which atoms located at all the 8 corners. Okay, you can see, and briefly I have mentioned here. Okay, corner, and its single atoms at the cube center. Okay, single atom will be in the cube center. So this will be a cubic center, you can see. So that is single atom will be there at the center, and this cubic unit cell we had shown here. Okay, this one. Okay, so center and corner atoms touch one another along cube diagonals. So that will be touch along the cube diagonals. Have you seen this figure? You'll come to know that. Okay, that is the BCC cubic structure, BCC structure. And for example, for the BCC, the chromium, iron, tungsten are fit into this BCC structure, or is exhibit the BCC structure. So here what happened? The two atoms are associated with the each BCC unit cell. Okay, two atoms are associated with the each BCC unit cell. Then the coordination of number of BCC is 8. Okay, the coordination number of BCC is 8. So you can count it for this total coordination number, because already the two atoms are associated with each unit cell. So therefore that is 4 into 2, that is 8 total atomic that is coordination number. And the atomic packing factor for BCC is lesser as compared to FCC, because here only is 68%. The definition of atomic factor is same for all, but depending upon the crystal structures. Okay, depending upon the crystal structure, it is going to be vary. So as compared to this that is FCC, the FCC is greater than BCC crystal structures. Okay, so this is about the BCC. Then we can compare between the how the arrangement of crystal structure and atomic packing factor, how it is going to be packed. So as it is very nearer to this whole the atoms. Okay, here in this case you can observe how it is going to be packed, the atomic packing factor. Packed means how much it is atoms are present in a unit volume of the cell. So here the more, because it is 0.74, here somehow it is gap between the atoms, so it will be 0.68. That's why this is the atomic factor of FCC as well as BCC comparison. Okay, so let us will go to the next slide. So next, hexagonal close packed crystal structure. So here the top and bottom of the faces of the unit cell consist of 6 atoms that are from regular hexagon and are surrounded the single atom in the center. So another plane you can see we have drawn here at the right side. So it provides 3 additional atoms to the unit cell. Okay, in a triangular shape. Okay, okay, at the center. It's situated between the top and bottom. Okay, top and bottom planes, and these atoms are mid plane and have as nearest neighbor atoms in both of the adjacent two places. So it will be a very neighboring atoms which are closer to the two planes, top and bottom. Okay, we can consider for this hexagonal plane. Just you observe this hexagonal plane. I have expanded in this way and I have shown like this. Okay, next. HCP is equivalent of 6 atoms is contained in each unit cell. Okay, and 6 atoms will be there in each cell. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Centrally one cell will be there, that is atom. So if A and C represents in the hexagonal shape, what it shows a short and unit dimension, that there is a C by A ratio. It should be 1.633. So that is the ratio they have mentioned. That should be a long unit cell dimensions, that is C by A ratio. It should be 1.633, and the coordination number of this HCP is 12, and its atomic packing factor is 70.74, as same as in a FCC. So the metals are comes under this category of structure is include cadmium, magnesium, and titanium, and zinc are the some and other metals are comes under this category. So this is all about the HCP. So this is all about your different crystal structure. And the last one is the simple cubic. This simple cubic get each layer of the 4 atoms are going to be arranged stacked perfectly one upon the other. So, and this atom usually the simple cubic comes occur beta brass arrangements, okay, or lithium and mercury combination, or aluminum and nickel. So these kind of are comes under simple cubic. Okay, I hope you understood this video. I will discuss another concept in the next video. Thank you.